Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody was asking me the question between back minus front and the Intersect tool. And I ended up playing around with it a little bit more. So let's make a duplicate of this. And if we grab all this and we go back minus front, it does what we want it to do, but it also leaves the outline. If you do it with the Intersect tool, I like it for two reasons. One, it doesn't leave an outline, and you've still got your graphic to do whatever you want to with it. Then I started thinking this would be a pretty cool other blend. Let's put this at a little bit of an angle just for fun. Let's make this a blue, and let's Control D to make a duplicate, and then let's just move this down a little bit. And now what we're going to do, we've got two, and I'm going to make that one a light blue. I'm going to select them both. I'm going to go up to Effects and Blend. You don't have to blend them 200 times, but it's going to be a more even pattern. And then when you put in a black box, it really changes the look of it. Object order, back of page. That's pretty cool. And you could do any color. And you could do more lines. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.